Welcome to BabyBlab. Today is week 3. It is a snow day up here in New York. Look at this. It's a beautiful day to be relaxing with family. You guys know the drill, so that's what we're gonna be doing. Regular routine or change. We are fed him, so now he's supposedly to be sleeping right there. Kind of, but he's doing his business as usual. Just remember, again, little recap, never place things over the baby. It's just because we are watching him. Don't leave him alone because he can flip over. So he's pretty much 3 weeks right now, not even 1 month, 3 weeks. So we're still watching him. We provide assistance because he can flip over and choke himself. We're having our lunch, so we're gonna be doing something special. It's a snow day. We're gonna go through painting. When we finish the painting, I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much. And let's see how long it's gonna take that thing right there. He was moving too much. He was sleeping. He's still doing his business. You know what that means, right? So our process will start right now. With the canvas, everything right here, ready to go. Plus, the baby is nice and sleeping. Yay! While we're gonna be painting. So what you need here is just empty canvas, paint, brushes, the tray, and water. And what? The most important thing, one little space to work on. You don't have to make a mess, and we're gonna have a beautiful project for today. We finished our painting, our project. So as you guys can see, this guy that it is celebrating the 3 weeks. Right there. Look at the baby. Now, look at this. Everything is done. And then you guys can tell me which one is the best. My fiance or mine? As you can see, we're not professionals, but we are getting the handle of it. Okay? Left is mine, right is my fiance. And I think we did a good job. Look at this. The illusion of the painting. Oh my god, looks professional, I guess. Look at that. So that's the time we spend when you don't have nothing else to do. Just a newborn 24/7, taking care of him, and doing things to enjoy your lives. So I see you guys later. So hope you guys like it. Start painting, like, and subscribe.